Are you remodeling your home or office and in need of quality and convenient floor covering? Dick & Sons is your headquarters for carpet, laminate, ceramic, and vinyl floor covering. Our services include carpeting, ceramic porcelain, vinyl flooring, laminate flooring, wood flooring, fibers, and countertops. With more than 40 years of experience, Dick & Sons Floor Covering Center has been serving Houston families and businesses with the finest in quality floor covering products. Dick & Sons Floor Covering Center carries a complete line of carpet, wood, laminate, vinyl, resilient, and tile, ceramic, flooring products from the world's leading manufacturers. Dick & Sons Floor Covering Center, 281-888-0672.